So in this video, we're gonna run through a quick review of Prospeo and compare it to Loft to see which tool is best for your team. Let's dive into it. So this is Prospeo, and it's essentially an email finder, and they do a couple things here. So it finds emails and it scrapes data from LinkedIn. You can also do bulk enrichment within the software, but that's all it does. It doesn't do any outreach. It doesn't do any tracking. So just to run you through how it works, you can download their extension, and that's the main aspect of this tool. You can hop into LinkedIn, click Export Prospeo, and you click it, it'll bring you up to a window like this. And I actually clicked this around 10 minutes ago, so I'm not sure why, but it is still loading. So just be aware, it might take some time to actually export that. I'm not sure if I did something incorrectly here, but it's still loading and it's been quite some time. So just keep that in mind. So that's how you can find emails within their Sales Navigator export. And if you want to compare this to Loft, you can by hopping into Sales Navigator here, looking down here at the bottom, and this is Loft's Chrome extension. I can select a segment like VPs of sales. I can even select a playbook where if a playbook is selected, it actually enables our one-click engage feature, which not only finds the contact information in real time, but also starts engaging them. So I'll click VP's outbound AI demo, we just want the normal demo here. And then from here, I can go over to the right and click save on any prospects. I want to save their contact information and automatically start engaging. So I'll just click save on one here, just as an example. And if you want, you do have the option to save all, or you can actually automate prospecting as well. And I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Let's hop back into Loft here, refresh our pipeline, and you'll see at the top here, here's Scott. You can see we're actually searching for his email, and then there it is. His email has been found. And that green dot next to it also indicates that it's been verified as well. And what's great here is we also have his LinkedIn URL. So with Loft, we clicked once, we found his contact information, verified it. Then now we're engaging him in this playbook we selected. And just to show you what that playbook actually looks like, I'll go down to VP's outbound demo here. And here it is. You can see there's automated emails with some personalization, calling tasks, as well as LinkedIn steps. So you can automate LinkedIn connections as well as LinkedIn messages as well. And again, it's just one click to do that. Another way you can prospect on Loft though, is you can hop into the playbook, click new playbook, go over to AI Prospector or LinkedIn Scraper. If I do the AI Prospector here, I can just type in who I want to save, and I'll just say VPs of sales located in SF. There we go. We'll click continue. We'll build an audience in the background. And now we need to build the actual steps of the playbook. So we can do it by hand, or we can build it with AI. And we have some default prompts here, and I'll just say outbound lead gen. So we'll build a playbook with 2 emails followed by 4 LinkedIn steps with cold calls scattered in between as well. And our pitch, I'll just say, we help companies generate more leads and close more deals. So maybe not the best pitch here. We could definitely improve that, but we'll just start with that for now. I'll go ahead and click generate with AI. And now in the background, Loft's AI will start building a playbook for you, meaning email steps, LinkedIn steps, calling steps, etc. It even knows to add bounce shield up here at the top to verify any unverifiable emails. And it goes through here, right? It has automated connection, calling steps, automated emails, etc., etc. So it looks pretty solid. We'll go ahead and just click use playbook. And there it is. And now if I'm going to launch this and just kick off this automated prospecting campaign, just click start playbook. And when you do, after a couple minutes, the AI in the background will begin prospecting on your behalf, going contact by contact, company by company, and seeing if they actually match this description. If they do, of course, they're going to save their contact information and start engaging them in this playbook. And that happens all automatically in the background. So it's a super powerful feature that's within Loft. And the next big thing here is Loft doesn't just find contact information, it also tracks deals. So if somebody responds, we can automatically update the deal stage using AI. So say somebody responds with an interested response, it can automatically update them to interested. So deals aren't getting forgotten in the new stage. And then of course, from within Loft, we have these statuses, which happen automatically. And I can just filter for, go follow up. This is anybody where there hasn't been communication for a period of time. And I can see all of them here. So this is everybody that I need to follow up with. So Loft makes it really easy, not only to find contact information, generate leads, they also make it really easy to track your deal flow and hop in and see who you have to follow up with. And it is worth noting that Prospeo does have a lot of features here. They have a mobile finder, which really just takes the mobile information from LinkedIn, their Sales Navigator search, social enrichment, domain search. So it has these other features, but the main aspect is this feature right here, which I was not able to get to work, which we can try again really quickly. See if we can export with Prospeo. Let's see if we have any more success. It's still stuck loading, but essentially, there we go. Export name, test. We'll click export. So there we go. So it essentially automatically scrapes prospects for us, but it doesn't do anything beyond that. So that's essentially how Prospeo works. It's an automated data scraping tool. And that's really the main feature here is you hop into LinkedIn, you give it a list and it scrapes it for you. It's not going to do any outreach. It's not going to do any tracking. And that's essentially how Prospeo works. So that's my review of Prospeo. When it comes down to it, it's actually a pretty good tool for just building lists of leads or lists of emails. But if you actually need to engage leads and generate meetings, LeadLoft's obviously the more powerful tool here. Of course, LeadLoft also offers CRM tracking, etc., which can really simplify your pipeline. But just think about what you need. Do you need just a list builder or do you actually need leads? So hopefully that's helpful. If you have other questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.